What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Ringley Fishing. I got this awesome video for you that I filmed last week when I was in Jupiter, Florida, South Florida. I did some dock fishing with some frozen shrimp and a little shark fishing with some cut bait. And yeah, I'm gonna have two videos coming out this week. This is gonna be like a part one, which is dock fishing. Then I'm gonna have a kayak fishing video coming out later. And you're not going to want to miss either of them. But, yeah, just get straight into it.
Seasons don't fear the reaper, nor do the wind, the sun, or the rain. We can be like they are. Come on, baby, don't feel the reaper. Baby, take my hand, don't feel the reaper. We'll be able to fly, don't feel the reaper. Baby, I'm your man.
That might be another catfish. Yeah, I'm saying that's a catfish. Ooh. I don't run out like that, though.
Sizable. Oh, look at it go. What do you got? Catfish?
Oh,
Catfish.
catfish.
It's a fun little tug. He didn't swallow her.
Yeah.
Good pliers.
Yeah, it's just small. It's a Maine, though. That's a good sign, yeah. Woo! Maine.
You might keep it. You might keep it.
No, definitely not. Dad, I can tell you right now he's not going to keep. Catch number 2. Oh, mangrove. Definitely not a keeper, but such a beautiful fish. And they taste super good, so nice though. Watch out, guys. Ah, I'm gonna eat.
Big fish.
Stupid cat daddy.
Dude, okay.
Probably let it swallow up again.
Dad loves that. He's still got life in him. Did he? No, there's no way he swallowed this time. I can't tell you how many these things I've caught. Let you see them. Caught about 10 of these, but wherever they pull, so what matters. Is there like gonna be a tsunami or something? Why is the tide still? Well? Oh, that was a snook.
Oh, that's a big fish.
It's a little J hook.
Yeah, another freaking cat.
It's a cat daddy.
Look at the slime he got all up and down the.
That might be another catfish. Yeah, I'm saying that's a catfish. Ooh. I don't run out like that though. That's a big fish. He's got me hung up. No, that's just a big fish. Oh. Wow, that's a big fish. Oh, no, no, no. No. No, he's wrapping me. Come on, get out, get out, get out. Ah. Dang it. Alright, so I gotta go catch bait. But it's like really dark, so I don't know how long you're gonna see me, but I'm gonna try to do the best filming that I can. And I'm gonna go catch that bait right now, so let's go. I'm just trying to catch bait right now. I got frozen shrimp, and that's about it. So just gonna see what I can do and see if I can catch bait for me and Keaton tonight, and to catch a bigger fish, and hopefully I'll get that on film. But set the phone right here. Oh, kind of big. Oh, got some kick to it. Oh, don't know what it is. It's a grunt. Perfect. Woo! Big old. Oh, it's a redfish. What? Or a croaker? It's a croaker, I think. Pretty sick, man. Look at this, y'all.
What is it?
Croaker. I think you can use this for bait, but
Yeah,
I don't know. Croaker. We're gonna release him. I wasn't completely sure if you could even use those for bait, so you know, I'm gonna take the benefit of the doubt and just not kill him, just let him go. And I just have confidence that I'm gonna catch a better bait fish, maybe a grunt or two. But still a nice fish, and just get back. Okay, this is big fish right here. Alright guys, so this is Mahara. I think this I can definitely use for bait. And yeah, this is Mahara. I know it is. I'm gonna take some quick pictures, see what it is, but so I did all my research. It's a Mahara. You can use it for bait. And yeah, that's what he's gonna use. And, we're gonna use it for shark bait tonight and just see what happens, but pretty sick. Caught 2 fish. Didn't want to keep the croaker because I just didn't know if you're allowed to keep croaker. But the Mahara, I had former experience with knowing that you're allowed to keep those, so you know, from watching Fishaholic, as you know. But yeah, got the bait. Bait secured. Ready to go catch a fish. Probably a cat. Right here, boys. Something nice. Yeah, didn't think so. It's a shark.
Where's our dehooker? Where's our dehooker, Brady?
Nice shark.
Brady, where is the dehooker?
In the house, in the thing. Ooh. On. On. I gotta reel this in. He's on.
Oh, bigger than yours. Oh, it's a snook.
Snook.
It's a big snook. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold the rod. Bring it closer so I can grab the line. It's a big snook, Brady. Look at that thing.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Pictures for you. I'll know it sideways. Look at that.